Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and here is a new blog for you again. Here below the video you'll find the subscriber button. Don't forget to subscribe. Here is the red button and press here and press the bell icon to get more updated notification.
Hi friends, I'm Jason. This time I'm gonna speak about Haflong. Haflong is a town and it's a headquarters of the Mahasau district, which is also formerly known as North Kachar Hills under the state of Assam. It is also the hill station of Assam, and its nickname is also known as Switzerland of Northeast Asia. Haflong is also a tourist spot which many.
Finally, now we are in
Rock Garden!
It's very nice. Hi, we are in the Haflong Lake now. Wow, it's look very beautiful.
Yeah, just look
Oh
at
my
it.
God.
It's awesome.
I just love the lake. And by standing by nearby it, the wind is also airy
Yeah, it's
and so
blowing.
fresh. I just love it. I think so. In this Haflong only, in the Mahasau only, I think so. This is only the lake.
Yeah, the most beautiful one.
Haflong is beautiful because of this lake. I see.
Yeah, it's famous only for this lake.
Yeah.
Just look around. It's so fresh, so green.
We can see even the tower also, but passing vehicle, and from the way we used to go to the council, and there to
radio
the,
station also.
yeah, and from there to the counter. I just love the place. Very beautiful place to visit. Anyone who ever comes to Haflong, they should visit all those places which I am visiting now, which I am seeing now, and the place it's very nice. I just love.
Hi, just look around. It's so clean.
I think so. This is the cleanest part in
Road,
Haflong.
yeah.
The road.
That's true.
Because
And just look at our apples. We are also so clean.
we're going to take the mixture. अंकल इधर देखो ना. ये अंकल इसको साथ से हम लोग मिक्सचर लेता. देखिए मिक्सचर.
Just look at it. So tasty things.
Yeah, chana. I see. This is a botanical garden.
Botanical garden.
I've enjoyed a lot, na?
Yeah.
Our stomach
It
is
was
also full.
awesome.
Okay, then say bye bye.
Ani bam Haflong ze ilang be bam le hadu yang zene du I tingka yang zene du I tatera zene du I environment zene du I makata le ne I be bam le he ge lang be bam za mi tate ze here mak be bam le Haflong gum ze I be ga le zai ki ton pi pe zene du ngolu mulung wang chang sang I ke sang zai he zene du kelang babam hadzat bam lenige tisedu ilang babam jimnadu ilang babam le Haflong ge bam rangolu je milung wangchang jai lusui I kesang le Haflong ge bam mangolu mane ipori gamne bam ko dile jai Haflong ge bam lena ne tenu karu dute male jai mi bam zandu mi kaning bam wangchang jai mi pepe te wang zandu mi kaning telu wang chang lu je hai mana I je